Good day! I am Erica Jamiade, Provider Relations Officer of MaxiCare for Mindanao.
I am Mayor Jong Falgi from the Municipality of Kiamba.
Ako nga pala si Romily Salumpahi Provido, residing at Barangay Fatima.
I am Rihanna Athena Marie Cantadarlo. I am the OIC of Life and Health, HMP Incorporated, Jensen Branch. Eight years ago, our company plans to expand here in Mindanao. We wanted to grow and cater more clients with excellent quality healthcare services since we are a Cebu-based company. And we choose General Santos Doctors Hospital because it's one of the best here in Jensen and we trust their unending services.
GSDH has been a partner of MaxiCare for 23 years. With the hospital's quality service, innovative facilities, and equally competitive healthcare personnel, we as a HMO partner believe and trust that our members are well taken care of.
Yung naka-confine ako dito, hindi ko talaga naramdaman na nasa hospital ako kasi maliban sa mga staff nila is approachable, ang babait pa, yung room nila, iba talaga yung amoy, parang nasa bahay ka lang, komportable ka talaga. Pagka-discharge noon, nagpunta lang doon sa billing section, so na-process lahat na walang, kumbaga, parang sa Palawan ba, walay kuskus balungos. So for me, I recommend General Santos Doctors Hospital maliban sa yung mga equipments nila bago at saka mas accurate yung mga results nila. So recently din, kasi under ako ng HMO ko na Get Well, tinanong ako doon na anong HMO ko. So nung sinabi ko, tumawag, na-cater kaagad ako.
What we like about General Santos Doctors Hospital is they put their words into action. They implement proper protocols. If there are mistakes, they will correct it immediately. They will give you assistance actually faster. They also give patients assurance and security.
We have had a partnership where patients, particularly indigents, were catered or are being catered by GSDH and the professional fees are free. Lalong-lalo na nung COVID, when we approached Dr. Daniel Yap and Dr. Anyap, and we requested if feasible, makater nila mga patients namin and hindi sila mahirap pakausapin.
As sa private sector, nakita ko yung corporate social responsibilities ninyo. Kaya na-impress ako, yung inyong pinakita sa amin, lalong-lalo na yung support nyo, during our one of my campaign promise, yung medical mission. Naging successful po yung aming medical mission. Mas lalo kaming na-impress, yung post-medical mission dahil marami kaming hindi na-cater, during our medical mission, in-accommodate pa rin nila yung hindi na-cater. Kaya maraming salamat sa Doctors Hospital na in-extend pa nila yung aming medical mission,
The outcome of services provided by GSDA, almost always maganda naman yung outcome, Our patients are taken care of, our patients are provided with the appropriate and timely procedures kahit mga indigent yan, and of course, with your competent physician, with your humble consultants.
As a HMO partner, we at MaxiCare greatly appreciated GSDH for being a strong and reliable partner in delivering healthcare service to our members and to the whole Soc-Surgeon community. Despite being tested by the pandemic, our members were never left out. They even offered us home care service packages and drive-through laboratories.
Holistically, the people behind the marketing unit of GSDA, hindi lang si Doc Yap na parating pumupunta dito, but of course, yung social worker nyo, the marketing unit of GSDH, if you have new services, they come to our office, they present it to us.
Ipa-feel good nila nga, dili ka pasyente. You're like a family to them. They treat you as a family, like ma-feel good mo.
From the hospital's tagline, Healing Through Compassionate Caring, we believe that GSDH upholds this virtue, generating positive customer experience to our members.
For me, komportable talaga ako dito kasi feel at home ka masyado. Tapos friendly, malinis. Instead na ma-confine ka, na ma-stress ka sa sakit mo, kwarto, hindi mo talaga maramdaman yun. Kung gusto nyo talaga na ma-hospital kayo na parang nasa bahay lang, inirekomenda ko talaga tong General Santos Doctors Hospital. Even my families, dito talaga kami nag-confine ever. So, the best talaga ang Doctors Hospital for me.